Okay, this is how you make a very weird machine. This is like something I found. You get a piece like that. You put this bit on the on the bottom. But make sure it's like that. Then put something in like that. Put something on like that. So it should look like that. Then we get this one. And you do the same with the other one. So do it inside. There we go, then you join those two together. There you go, you've made the legs. Then you get a 4 and a 2. So there's a 2, so it looks like that, so there's a 2 left. You put 2 in there. Now, if you have a seat like that, put it on, so it looks a bit like, so it looks a bit like that. Okay, see, so this, moving on, if you have any of these pieces, like a thin piece of all these, you get 3 of them, then you put it together, like that, doesn't matter what colour these are. Anyway, then you, wait, if you have any of these, put them on the back, and like that. So you have to have 2 of these. Don't worry, they fall off that it usually happens. Right. Yeah, then you put the package on. Then if you have like a roof piece like that, put it on so the little diagonal bit, that bit, is facing up. It's hard to get. Oh, come on. There we go. There is actually, so I got it one that was down. So it comes up the entire thing like that. Now, if you have a piece like that in your Lego box, put it on the spare 2, so it looks a bit like that. Now if you've got a 1 roof piece, if you want the front bit to have a boot, put it on. There. Now, if you've got 2 of these pieces, and a piece like that, put them on, doesn't matter which way they go, but as long as these bits there and pointing the same direction as each other, so like that. Then you get the back of this and you put it on like, you put it on like so, and if you have one of these pieces, you put it on. And if you've got a person like I do, you can get the front of it. You can stand up or sit down. Now sometimes pieces will fall off, that's normal. If you can model it, if you want it to be running, you can make it look a bit like this. That's what it looks like running. That's what it looks like running. This is what it looks like attacking. Now this is why you need a 2 space for the yellow pieces. In this case, the man can stand at the back or right at the top. And this is attacking mode. Hope you enjoyed my video. There's going to be more videos soon.